Hi guys! Welcome back to Team Amit's Kitchen. Charot. Okay, today magluluto tayo na MIE goreng. Just to share with you, etong bahay na to dati. You guys know the instant noodles na MIE goreng. Hindi kami nawawalan nun kasi comfort food namin yon. But, etong anak ko kasi, yung dalaga ko, ginagawang snacks. So, I decided na I'm gonna make her MIE goreng from scratch, which is healthier. Okay? So, yun yung disclaimer. Tignan muna natin to. So, ingredients. Number 1, any type of greens, vegetables that you like. Pwedeng pechay, pwedeng cabbage. Ngayon, gagamitin ko is bokchoy. Tapos, kinat ko lang siya sa bite size. And then carrots just for the colors. Half ng medium size lang. Ganito yung pagkakakat ko. Julienne. Charot. And then, syempre hindi mawawala ang ating toge or bean sprouts. Onions. Chinap ko na. And then garlic. So this is 4 pieces cloves. And then 1 medium size na red onion. Or white if you prefer that. And then nag-caramelize ako ng white onion just for toppings later. Tapos you can actually choose any protein that you like, but me, I love shrimps with MIE goreng. And then later we will cook the egg just for toppings. Okay, so 1 per person, sunny side up. Masarap yun. And then let's talk about the sauce. So the sauce, ito na siya. Ang laman nito ay 2 teaspoons na regular soy sauce, 2 teaspoons ng oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of sambal. So you can buy this from any grocery store. And then this one is Saus Manis. I thought I'm pronouncing it right. It's a sweet sauce, Indonesian sweet sauce. Okay, nabili ko to sa SNR. Okay, tapos 1/2 cup of water or chicken stock. Okay, and then you just mix them all together. Ito na siya. And then, we're gonna boil our noodles. Yan. So, any egg noodles, this is 250 grams for 2 to 3 people. Okay, so now, nagbo-boil na yung ating water. I-drop na lang natin to. Let's start cooking! So, follow na lang yung packaging ng egg noodles of your preference. This one, I'm just gonna boil this for 2 minutes. Okay, and then drain. Alright. Bilis lang niyang maluto, guys. Kasi di-drain lang natin to. Natin siyang ganyan. Tapos, don't forget to wash it with running water. Kasi, para to stop the cooking. Okay, so medium heat. Tapos, mga 1 tablespoon of oil. Santayin lang natin siyang uminit. Lutuin lang natin yung hipon natin. Lagyan lang natin ng salt. Tapos, ng pepper. Ayan. So, pag nag-orange na sa both sides, itatabi lang natin ito. Tapos, add lang tayo ng konting oil ulit. Same pan. Hindi na tayo magpapalit, guys. Yeah. And tapos, lalagay na natin yung garlic. And yung onions. Oh, ang bebo ko. Napakadali lang lutuin nito, guys. Like, tapos, pag medyo brown na yung garlic and onions natin, ilalagay na natin yung gulay. Carrots muna. Kasi yun yung matigas. So, after mga 1 minute, ilagay na natin yung ating green vegetable. So, masarap tong bokchoy sa MIE goreng, guys. Tapos, stir fry. Luto na yung dahon. Lalagay na natin yung Diba? Bilis-bilis lang. Para lang din siyang instant charot. But better. Lalagay na natin yung ating sauce. Oh. Meron akong bandaya doon. Kita nyo ba yun? Lagyan ko ng chicken stock kasi pampalasa yun. Ay, ng chicken, Lord chicken cube. Kasi ayoko mag-defrost ng chicken stock. Ayan. Tapos lutuin lang na natin to ng 2 to 3 minutes. Hinihintay natin ma-absorb ng noodles yung sauce. Prituhin na natin yung itlog kasi madali na itong maluto. So ako, pag nagpiprito ko ng itlog, I always like to use itong egg. Put salt. Ayan. So ayan, absorb niya na, diba? Ang bilis lang. So hinaan natin konti yung apoy. Ilalagay na natin yung bean sprout. I love bean sprout. Kaya kaya may bean sprout dito sa bahay. Haluin lang natin yan. Yan.
Ano yan?
MIE GORENG! Your favorite.
Yay!
Yan. Ito na siya. Bilis, diba? Magpi-plating na lang tayo. Lalagyan na natin yung yung shrimps. Yan. Yan. Plating na lang tayo, guys. Bilis lang, diba? Okay, let's start plating. For my daughter, having online class. Let's make food for gulay. Yes, for Gracie. Bon appetit. Isa si Kiki, dahil bawal pa sa kanya to, he's eating actually the bread that I baked for him last night. There you go, love. Parang niluluto ko siguro to parang mga once a week. Oh, diba? Bon appetit, anak!
Thank you, Mommy!
Hope you enjoyed that, guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!